Hello friends, welcome back to the CTXCLOUD, and this is the video number 21 in our training series. In our last video we have seen that how we can create multiple VMs using VM stream wizard. So in our last video we have used this streamed VM setup wizard, and for that we have created 4 virtual machines. Now in our today's video we are going to add these machines in our Xen App and Xen Desktop sites. So how we can do that? Let me go inside my Xen App and Xen Desktop server. So this is my actually it's a delivery controller. So this is the Citrix delivery controller. Now we are going to add these machines. So how we can do that? Let just click on create machine catalog. We are going to create a fresh machine catalog for this PVS VMs. Click on next. Here you guys need to select what type of operating system you have created. So we have created multi-session OS. These are the Windows to 2012 VMs. Click on next, and here you guys need to select this Citrix provisioning service. Deploy the machines using Citrix provisioning service. Click on next. Here you guys need to enter your PVS server name. So I am going to copy this PVS server name from here. Just copy this and paste in our Xen App and Xen Desktop delivery site delivery controller. Just paste it here. Click on connect, and you guys can see that our site of PVS has been connected. Just expand this, and you guys can see that there is a collection we have created, prod. So we have put all 4 machines inside this prod device collection. So we are going to select this prod device collection. Just select this, click on next. Now it's asking how many machines you want to add in this machine catalog. So we want all 4 machines to be added in this machine catalog. So just select all these, click on next. Here you need to give your machine catalog name. So I am giving my machine catalog name. So this is my MC machine catalog Windows 2012 PVS prod server. So I have created the machine catalog from this name. Click on finish, and now this will add all the machines which are on the device collection inside PVS. So a machine catalog will create automatically here. I will show you, just wait for 1 minute. Okay, now the machine catalog has been created. So just expand this machine catalog, and you guys can see that just wait for 1 second, and you guys will see all 4 machines to be added in this machine catalog. So you guys can see that the machine name CTX PVS PRD server 01, and the same machines are here CTX PVS PRD server 01. So all 4 machines now has been added inside this machine catalog. Now it's time to create a delivery group for this machine catalog. So I'm going to create this machine in a new delivery group. Click on next. Here you guys need to select how many machines you want to pick from this machine catalog. I want to pick all 4 machines. Click on next. Here you need to allow how you want to restrict any group or not. So I'm going to authenticate all the users who are in my domain. Click on next. Here it's asking which applications you want to publish from this delivery group. So click on from start menu. I am going to select this from start menu. I will choose the application. So it will take some time because the machines will power on the backend. So you guys can see that 1 machine has been automatically powered on, so that it can see how many applications are inside this virtual machine. So after that it will gather the information and show in this application tab. So I will wait for some 1 or 2 minutes so that it can fetch the data, and we guys can see that. So you guys can see that the application start coming here. So inside this I am going to publish a paint only. So I am going to select this paint application. Click on this application, go to the properties, and here you guys need to give the application name. Delivery, I am going to change this PVS hyphen prod. click on go on the limit page visibility, just add the users here. So maybe it's the group Citrix hyphen baseline. Let me check. Okay, it's not there. Let me go inside my Active Directory, and here I need to check what is the baseline group I have created for the Citrix users. Go on the users, and here you guys can there Citrix baseline, Citrix hyphen baseline. I'm going to copy this group so that we can publish this PVS application to the end user. Now go inside your delivery controller, just paste this group here. Click on check names, it's authenticated. Click on OK. Click on next. And now I'm going to give the name of this DG. So just let me enter this. Okay, now I have entered this delivery group name. Click on finish, and now a one application from this PVS server will publish to the end user. So we will see in few seconds. Now our delivery group has been created, so you guys can see that this is my DG for the PVS servers which we have created recently. Now I'm going to access my storefront and want to check this that this application is published to the end user or not. So let me open my storefront URL here. It's https hyphen internal apps.ctxcloud.in. Click on proceed. Detect it's the workspace application. Now I need to give the name. Just give the username, because let me show you, there is one user added in this baseline group. Just this is the baseline. Click on members, and here you guys can see that Sumit Saran is the user which is already added inside this group. So I am going to access this ID. Just enter the password, select the domain, and click on logon. So here inside application you guys can see that there is two paint application published. One we have published from the MCS, and now you guys can see that this is PVS prod. You guys can see that PVS prod. So that's what we have created from our PVS machines. Let me try to launch this application. So it's asking for the workspace application, and you guys can see that the application start working and it will launch soon. Click on permit, and you guys can see that the application has been published for the end user successfully. So this is the end of this video, guys. If you guys think that videos are informative, just like these videos, subscribe my channel and leave the comments. Thank you guys.